Hello students, this is Professor Sagar Birje from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Angdi Institute of Technology and Management, Belgavi. In this presentation, we are going to discuss on control instruction in C. In the introduction part, we are going to discuss on control instructions. As the name suggests, the control instruction enable us to specify the order in which the various instructions in a program are to be executed by the computer. In other words, the control instructions determine the flow of control in a program. The flow of control in a program, I mean that the way the instructions written in a program will be executed. There are four types of control instructions in C. They are sequential control instruction, selection or decision control instruction, repetition or loop control instruction, and the fourth one is the case control instruction. We'll discuss all these control instructions in detail. In this slide, we are going to understand the basic definition of various control instructions. The first one is the sequence control instruction, which ensures that the instructions are executed in the same order in which they appear in the program. We mean that the instructions written in a program will be executed in a sequential way, that is, one after the another. The second control instruction is the decision and case control instruction, which allows the computer to take a decision as to which instruction is to be executed next. The decision is based on the condition specified. The condition decides which set of instruction to be executed. The third control instruction is the loop control instruction, which helps the computer to execute a group of statements repeatedly. Here, again, the decision is based on the condition specified, and the statements will be repeated till the condition is true. Once the condition is false, the statements stop executing and the control comes out of the loop. The first control instruction is a sequence control instruction. So let us understand the sequence control instruction. In sequence control structure, the various steps or instructions written in a program are executed sequentially. That is, in the same order in which they appear in the program. In fact, to execute the instructions sequentially, we don't have to do anything at all. By default, the instructions in a program are executed sequentially. So let us understand the sequence control instruction with an example. So here we have a simple example which demonstrates the working of sequence control instruction. So here we can see that it's a simple program which accepts two numbers and performs various operations such as addition and subtraction. So inside a main function we have declared a variables a, b, sum and sub and initialize them. After the declaration and initialization of variables, we have the next instruction to be executed is the printf statement, which asks a user to enter two numbers. After this instruction is executed, the next instruction that will be executed is the scanf statement, which reads two values from the user. Once the values have been read, the next instruction that gets executed is sum is equal to a plus b, which performs addition of two numbers entered by the user. After this instruction is executed, the next instruction that gets executed is sub equal to a minus b, which performs the difference between the two numbers, that is the subtraction operation. Once this instruction gets executed, the next instruction that gets executed is the printf instruction, which prints the result of addition of two numbers. Once this result is printed, the next instruction that gets executed is the another printf statement, which prints the subtraction of two numbers. So here in this program we can see that every instruction written in a program gets executed one after another. So this is all about the explanation for sequence control. In this presentation, we have just gone through the introduction to control instructions in C, and we have just discussed one control instruction, that is the sequence control instruction. The next presentation will be looking into the next control instruction, that is the decision control instruction. Thank you for watching this presentation.